This lesson is all about calculating intervals around 0. So sometimes we need to find the difference between a positive number and a negative number. To do this, it helps you use a number line. We start by marking both numbers on the number line and then counting between them. So starting on the negative number, we can first jump to the 0 and then from the 0 to the positive number. We then add the two jumps together. Let's try finding the difference between -5 and +7. We start on -5 and jump to 0, so that would be 5. Then we jump from 0 to 7, which would be 7. We then add the two numbers together, so 5 plus 7 is 12. Therefore, the difference between -5 and +7 is 12.